All right, it's time to pick a winner for the All American Sharpener giveaway, and I'm super excited to do it, even dressed up for the occasion, and this should be a lot of fun. Got the comment picker here ready to go and all set. So in case you missed the giveaway announcement video, it's also a review of the All American Sharpener tool. So go ahead and click the link up above or in the description below. Check out that review video of this super awesome tool. Stick around if you didn't enter as well. There's going to be an announcement at the end of the video that I think you might be interested in. So with that, let's get into this. So like I said, we're going to go ahead and give away an All American Sharpener tool. It's the second generation of their model 5005. So with that, let's get into the comment picker and pick a winner. So I have the URL of the video. We'll get some comments. 160 unique comments. That's awesome. And we will start a raffle and pick the winner. Winner is Edwin Arroyo. I sharpen my lawnmower's blade with a file, and it takes a while to get it nice and sharp. I know exactly how you feel, Edwin. Congratulations, you have won an All American Sharpener, and you'll just have to trade that file for an angle grinder and you'll be in great shape. So Edwin, make sure you reach out to me and send me an email with your shipping information. We'll get in touch and we'll get you your prize. Thank you so much to everyone who participated in the giveaway. I really appreciate it. It's been a lot of fun. I really like doing these things. I like giving stuff away. It's a really cool way to interact with people and just to learn more about you. I've learned a lot about how all of you guys sharpen your blades, and it's just been fun to read through all of those comments and see everything in there. All right, now that the giveaway is taken care of, I do want to make a special announcement, and that is that All American Sharpener is going to be offering a Black Friday deal. Yes, a Black Friday deal, a discount from All American Sharpener. And the deal is this: it's gonna run from Friday, this Friday, Black Friday, through Sunday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, this is the deal. You go to allamerikansharpener.com, and any purchase of $200 or more, they're gonna give you 15% off. Pretty awesome. So the discount code that will need to be applied at the very last step of checkout is going to be AASBF2019 here on the screen in the description below. 15% off any purchase of $200 or more. That's super awesome. And again, thank you so much to All American Sharpener for providing a All American Sharpener to give away and for offering a Black Friday discount code. That's super cool. So thank you so much for watching. This has been a lot of fun. I really appreciate you watching my videos and participating in these giveaways. I hope you enjoy them as much as I enjoy them. It's just been a whole lot of fun. And the next video will be coming out this Friday. And this is the big project that I've been teasing for a long time. I'm really excited to share it with you. It was a week's worth of work, a lot of fun, and it's just gonna be a good video, I think. I'm really excited about it. So thank you so much for watching. Have a safe and happy Thanksgiving. Have fun Black Friday shopping if that's your thing. And I will see you in the next video.